Alright, this is how to make a modular image. So we've got our packages here. We'll go and launch Casper Admin and go hit sign in. And now what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and make a new configuration. And in this new configuration we'll give it a name that would be described. So let's say we're doing an image for our new lab. And we'll put a management account in. This will be kind of like a local admin for you if you don't already have one made. So you'll give it a name. It also gives you the option to hide the account and turn SSH on automatically for that account. I always go that route. You can also make a home page that will default for all users on this configuration. So what we'll do is we'll put in our campus homepage and then we'll create that standard new configuration. And now what we'll do is we'll bring our packages that we created in here. So we've got Firefox, we've got the enterprise version of Flash, and we've also got the new version of Java, along with our base never booted modular OS created from AutoDMG. So right now I'm just putting Firefox in here, categorizing it. I'm also going to change in the image here that it is installed on the drive after its first boot up, not before that. And then I'm also going to replace my older version of Firefox with my new one, since we just made a new fresh one there. And my version of Flash, I already have it in here, but if you were to drag the package and you do it just like this with Java, and we'll put the new Java in here and replace my older version of Java. And I'll make it the same priority. Now priority 17, all of those numbers, what those priority numbers mean is the order in which they get installed in. So I also want to run this after it boots up, but I want to make sure that Java doesn't get installed before other stuff, or I make sure that I get Java in before I have something that has a prerequisite of Java. I'm also going to delete my old version here. And now we'll drag in our new never booted OS image made from AutoDMG. And it's going to take some time to upload here, just time lapse it away. Alright, so now we will take those building blocks that we just put in, the OS X image, the Java package, the Flash package, and the Firefox one, and we'll put them into our configuration after we classify the OS as an OS. So now we'll drag that into our new configuration with priority number 1, so that's going to go first. And then we'll put in our Flash, and we'll put in our Java. And then we'll put in our Firefox as well. And so now in that configuration, you'll see those, and I'll sort by priority here. So the OS will get deployed first, then Firefox, and then Flash and Java will go. And we have everything else installing after it does its first boot up. We'll make sure that Flash does the same, because that's the only way it works for packaging. We'll save our configuration with a Command S, and it should be good to go. All you need to do now is netboot the Mac and run that configuration from Casper Imaging.